Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS Home School. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal Universal School, Monship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an ICT class for the student of class 8 students. And our today's topic chapter 4, lesson 22 discussion. Look at the board my dear students. This is today's date. This is class 8, subject ICT, term annual, and topic chapter 4. Lesson 22 discussion in your lecture number 7 and your homework number 5. This is your teacher name Sonia Joya. This is my mobile number. So my students, let's start our today's topic. So this is chapter 4, lesson 22. Chapter 4, lesson 22. Spreadsheet. So lesson 22 is spreadsheet. Human beings have been keeping accounts since the dawn of time. They would keep it by using symbols either on stones or on the bark of trees. This is the past time. At that time, they would keep it using symbols either on the stone or on the bark of the trees. The invention of abacus is the result of this attempt. So abacus means ancient mathematical tools. Abacus means ancient mathematical tools. Paper and ink were the only means of keeping the accounts 50 years ago. So 50 years ago, paper and ink were only the means of keeping accounts for 50 years ago. In 50 years ago, paper and ink only the basic elements of keeping any types of accounts. The invention of calculator gave human beings the advantage in calculating. Then abacus. Then invention of calculator gave the human being the advantage in calculating. But the problem of carrying out the complicated and large calculation persisted. These problems were solved with the invention of computer. So my students, first that abacus, the mathematical tools, in that abacus people were counting, then come calculator, then come third one, then modern world, then come computer. So this is the picture of abacus, this mathematical tools. Ancient time, this is the mathematical in ancient time, then calculator middle age, then the modern age, then computer. Now concept of spreadsheet. According to the dictionary, spreadsheet is a sheet of paper big in size. So what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a sheet of paper big in size. This kind of sheet is used to keep the accounts of business firm. So in the business firm, this type of sheet is used. The accounts were recorded in the table format and gave an overview of the firm's account, but now the software-based spreadsheet program has replaced paper-based spreadsheet. Thus, the use of spreadsheet became popular. But now the software-based spreadsheet, the accounts are recorded in table format and gave an overview of the firm account. So it is table format. But now come software-based spreadsheet. Now come software-based spreadsheet program has replaced paper-based spreadsheet. So you have to memorize that. But the software-based spreadsheet program has replaced a paper-based spreadsheet. Paper-based spreadsheet means paper format or table format spreadsheet. Now it is transferred into software-based spreadsheet. Thus the use of spreadsheet became popular. In the late 70s, the Apple company first invented the spreadsheet software called Vesicle. Vesicle means a visible calculator. Vesicle means a visible calculator. Listen, it is very important and memorize that this is the vesicle. This is a vesicle, a visible calculator. A visible calculator. And the Apple company first invented the visible calculator or vesicle. After that software called Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Calc, K-Spread were devised. Now the most popular extensively used spreadsheet software is Microsoft Excel. So after that software, after that visible calculator or VCal, Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Calc, K-Spread were devised. Now the most popular extensively spreadsheet software is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel now most popular extensively spreadsheet, and there is a picture of VCal, means a visible calculator, and there is a picture of Excel, and there is a picture of OpenOffice calculator or OpenOffice Calc. Now next page, what is spreadsheet program? What is spreadsheet computer? Spreadsheet is a kind of application computer program. So spreadsheet is a kind of application computer program. It is sometimes called workbook. Sometimes spreadsheet is called workbook. So you have to carefully look that it is sometimes called workbook or spreadsheet. Just as a register book has numerous pages, so does a workbook have numerous worksheets. As a register book, there has numerous pages, but in workbook there have numerous worksheets. A worksheet has many rows and columns. It looks like a picture given below. So here is a picture of worksheet. That's a picture of worksheet or spreadsheet. So these are called row or column. 1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C, D. These are called row or column. These are called row or column. Columns and row numbered by A, B, C. Columns or row numbered by A, B, C, D, F, G, H, and 1, 2, 3, 4 separate respectively. The boxes are called cells. These boxes are called cells. These are the column or row, and these boxes are called cells. Spreadsheet and ICT. Spreadsheet and ICT. This is the age of information and communication technology. Data processing is very important job today. So data processing is very important job today, and it is very much popular and very important job nowadays. The data collected for any research work or for use for any business purpose requires analysis in order to be presented in a comprehensive way. The primary analysis of data can be done with the help of spreadsheet programs. In a worksheet of the spreadsheet program, data entry of all kinds is possible. So an enormous volume of data can be edited, calculated and analyzed, and an effective report can be prepared. So this is our spreadsheet and ICT relation. Objectives and using spreadsheet software. Now we are discuss objectives of using a spreadsheet and spreadsheet software. Case study 1. A large register used to be prepared. There is also B. A large register used to prepare the result of term test of Notunkuri High School. The teachers would write down the marks obtained by the students against their names or roll number, and by calculating the subject's wise grade point. Again I am saying this. Case study 1. A large register used to prepare the result of term test of Notunkuri High School. The teachers would write down the marks obtained by the students against their names or roll numbers, and by calculating the subject-wise grade point, they would finally sum up the GPA. Errors were made in this process, and they had to correct it when it was detected. They required a few days to complete the whole process. In this spreadsheet work software, this school result work required a few school work to complete a few days complete the whole within a few days. They can complete the whole works to use the spreadsheet software. Then case study 2, SR Enterprise. First one is নতুন করে high school work. Then second study is SR Enterprise. This is business organization that makes huge transaction every day. Some of it is done by cash, some on credit. The cashier has a difficult time keeping the accounts. Case study 3. Mr. Sumanana always tries to live within his means. He keeps the record of income expenditure, but sometimes discrepancies occur. Okay, so here are 1, 2, 3 case study using spreadsheet software. In the above case studies, the problem faced by individual and the business organization can be solved by using spreadsheet. A huge amount of data can easily be processed. So here is a mistake. So write word is processed. Can easily be processed in the spreadsheet software, and the calculation can be done unerring as there is a scope of using formula in this software. The calculation of automatically done using this spreadsheet software. The calculation is automatically done and there is no chance to wrong. As the same formula can frequently be used, it requires minimum time to process the data. Showing figures of data in this software is easy too. The management and preservation of postal and email address is easy with spreadsheet. So the management and the preservation of postal and email address is very easy with spreadsheet. So this is our today's topic about spreadsheet and what is spreadsheet program and spreadsheet and ICT relation and object of spreadsheet software. And my dear students, here homework number 5, and you will make 5 MCQ from these 2 pages. Page 50 and page 51, you will make 5 MCQ from these 2 pages. So my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. See you again.